Hello guys, it's Comfort here from 4 Skill Levels. Sorry, it's been long. Okay, today I've come up with a part 2 of the tutorial of PHP, and in this tutorial we are going to be installing PHP. PHP is not like HTML or pure JavaScript or CSS cascade style sheet. PHP requires a server where it runs. Okay, before we go further, let's go to Google. Okay, open up a web browser, type in google.com. okay, my network can be a little bit slow. Okay, type in XAMP or XAMPP, whatever you want. You can call it whatever you want, it depends with who taught you English or where you learned English from. Okay, and then on the first link, Apache Friends. Okay, in my case I have a Windows operating system, so I'm going to click here on Windows, as you can see. Or if you are running a Linux machine, then you can click here. Or if you're running a Mac OS or you have a MacBook, you can use XAMPP OS X. Okay, so in my case I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click here. Okay, wait for it, wait for it. Okay, here I won't click start download because I already have XAMPP installed on my computer. Okay, when it is installed, you can locate it here, local disk C, XAMPP. Okay, here you scroll down until you find XAMP control, and then you double click on it. It will open up. Here it is, and then you click start. You click start. Okay, everything that you create using XAMPP is stored in the htdocs folder. This is it. This is my custom files, or if you want you can delete everything. So in our case, I'm going to create a new folder. Just ignore everything you are seeing in this folder. Just ignore. And here I'm going to call it PHP Toots. Yeah. Okay, after installing XAMPP, we can't choose some ugly text editors like the default Microsoft Notepad. Okay, so here we need some good text editor. So in my case, I'm going to be using Sublime Text. Okay, Sublime Text 3, and then you click on download on the first link on the section. Yeah. Make sure that you choose proper. In my case, I'm running Windows 64 bits, or if you're on Mac or Linux, you can just choose here. Okay, so for Mac OS users, here it is, and for Linux users, here it is. So in my case, I'm using Windows, so I'm going to click Windows 64 bits. Okay, so here I'm not going to click start download because I already have Sublime Text already installed. So if once it is installed, Sublime Text looks like this. Oh, sorry, Sublime Text. Okay, just a sec. You can rotate to Sublime Text here, Sublime Text 3 in program files. So here it is, Sublime underscore text. Okay, this is it. Let me make sure that I close everything. So in your case, it will look blank like this, or whatever it may look. Just make sure that you follow my steps. Otherwise, I think some people, they tell me that I teach good how to code. So make sure that you subscribe to our channel and you wait for our next PHP tutorial, which will be PHP overview. All I can say is that in our next tutorial, the coding process will start. Okay, thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to support us on our patreon.com. and if you want 1 year web hosting, which is cheap, which is as low as $1 a year, you can just check the link in description.